is Loggington Patel. I benefit a lot because they pay me for school fees. Now the life is not a bit tough as compared back then. Now the life is just simple. Before the program, as you know, we are coming from the homes. Maybe we failed to pay school fees, but right now they are paying for us, so they reduced a burden. Yeah, I want to become a doctor.
My name is Maureen Majawa. I have benefited a lot because they are paying my school fees, they are bringing books to us. It's kind of like life is easy now. The past life was kind of difficult because sometimes I couldn't come to school because of lack of school fees. Sometimes I couldn't do much on school stuff because I didn't have notebooks. But now it's easy. I want to become an accountant.
My name is Clement Majawa. I'm the head teacher of this school. We have some challenges. The government has assisted us with a project to try to link students to e-learning, but the challenge is we don't have enough computers. So we wish if donors would come and assist us with the computers. The other challenge is lack of a school hall. We know a school hall is very important for school activities, but we are challenged to do those activities in classes because of lack of a school hall.
Sinanga ndi Rose Potmani, ndili form 2. Mene ndimaphunzira pamene ndilibe bungwe zimavuta kwambiri kuti ndikaphunzire kwambiri. Chifukwa zokuti ndi masowa fees komanso zipangizo zina ndi zina zimavuta kwambiri kuti ndipeze. Koyamba ndingwathokoza chifukwa zokuti apangisa kwambiri kuti sogolo langa lizipitirira. Ana kakhala kuti iwo mwina sakundilipirira sindikuziwa kuti ndikanakhala ndili bati.
I'm Janet Mpasdwa Hanja, headmistress for Milonga CTSS. The challenges with the students is that most of the students are coming from vulnerable families and also walking long distances when coming here. But with the provision of this bursary, it has made life easier for them. To those that are traveling long distances, if they are provided maybe with the bicycles, they can maybe have easy movements.
Zinanga ndi Bian Kasiyama ndi form 2. Pamene scholarship imene inali sanabwere, makolo anga amavutika kuti apeze school fees yoti andilipire. Nthawi zina ndimathamangitsidwa ku school kuno kunyamula mabwera makomo. Koma pamene scholarship imene inakutenga kuyamba kulipira school fees, udindo wa makolo be unachepa. Ndi makolo anayamba kumaona kuti thandiza zinthu zina. Neyo ndimafuna ndizakhale nesi. Mafuna ndizathandiza anthu ena amene azakhala kuvutika nsogolomoso.
My name is Victor Maputao. Now I'm in Form 2 at Mulanje Secondary School. This scholarship has helped me in different ways. For example, before I was taken by this scholarship, I would suffer from different ways, such as lack of school fees. But when this scholarship has taken me, they helped me to overcome some of the problems. So I thank for everything what this scholarship has doing for me. My dream job when I finished school, I want to be a doctor.
My name is Isaac Mvua. I am the deputy head teacher at Mulanje Secondary School. Mostly the problems that they were facing was to do with school fees. So most of the students here, they have challenges to pay their school fees and also to meet their basic needs in terms of academics. So they like things like textbooks, pens, calculators, and the like. One of the solution is bursaries. So some of these students, they are lucky in that they are offered bursaries by different organizations. For example, BOM. So if they are offered bursaries, that means they can be able to continue with their school without having to think about school fees. In this way, they are able to work hard in classes and then they can do better in future. Lastly, I would like to thank the organization BOM for offering the scholarship to these boys and girls so that they can proceed with their education.
My name is Deborah Gaswanjete. I'm in Form 3. This scholarship has helped me because since it is helping me in paying school fees, that's why I'm here. And also I'm continuing my education because of this scholarship. Before the coming of this scholarship, I was facing with a lot of problems. For example, I was lacking some school fees, some exercise books, some raw materials for education. Okay, as for me, my goal, I want to be an engineer. I'm thanking you for taking us as a children and also for paying us your school fees, and also you can do these things to us so that can be the same as us. My name is Ntamandeni Maremvu. I'm in Form 4 currently. It has helped me greatly by paying my school fees. There was lack of concentration in class because I used to worry about whether my school fees would be paid on time or not. Yeah, there are a lot of challenges actually. One of them is lack of learning resources. I would like to thank them immensely for helping us as the people who are unable to pay our school fees by providing school fees for us. I would like to encourage everyone who is watching to develop a hardworking spirit as soon as possible so that they're able to achieve their goals. I want to be a gynecologist.
My name is Kate Sota. I'm in Form 2. This scholarship has helped me a lot. Since then, my parents were not able to pay school fees for me. So due to this coming of scholarship, I'm able to learn here. Apart from school fees, I'm facing some little challenges, for example, lack of school materials. I want to thank them for the scholarship because if it was not for them, I would not be here today. After my study, I want to become a surgery doctor.
My name is Sister Mary Kaunda, the head teacher of Providence Secondary School. I really thank you for the support which you rendered to our students. You really helped them because some of them are very needy students. They are coming from the very poor families. So with your support, they have been helped indeed. We have experience of few students who have dropped school because of poverty. But with your support, you are helping these students and they are finishing school up to colleges. And also we have some problems which we are facing because of lack of water. We are lacking a heavy-duty solar system which can cater the whole campus. Yes, we have the boreholes. There are 4 of them, but because of the place is very huge, and then we cannot manage. And sometimes we have the water which is coming from the hill, but that water is not good for them. It's not safe. I really thank you for your usual support, and I really appreciate for your help. Thank you so much.